Now, I've reviewed pretty much every gaming smartphone launched in 2019, and I've got to say, when it comes to value for money, manufacturer Nubia is still ruling the roost with its Red Magic smartphones. And this bad boy right here is the very latest release, the Red Magic 3S. Just 419 quid here in the UK bags you a premium gaming smartphone. You get a 90Hz Full HD display, Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, UFS 3.0 super nippy file storage, 5000 mAh battery, and full liquid coolant and fan support to keep things from heating up too much. Now, I've been doing an awful lot of gaming with the likes of PubG Mobile here on the Red Magic 3S for the last couple of days, and I've got to say, I'm absolutely smitten at that price. It's unbelievable. Here's my full gaming review for the Red Magic 3S, including the performance, battery life, full benchmark, and all of the good stuff. And for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! Now, first up, like basically every gaming smartphone out there, the Red Magic 3S is an absolute beast. It's constructed from metal, so it's nice and durable, and that helps to give it a nice 215 gram heft as well. The 6.65 inch build means you'll definitely feel it when you're doing your game, and it's an absolute handful. And of course, what kind of gaming smartphone would it be without the mandatory RGB light display around back? You've got full customization over when those RGB lights kick into life. You can do them while you're gaming, they can flash for notification alerts while you're on calls, all kinds of stuff. And the Red Magic 3S has a subtle curvature to the rear end as well, which makes it a little bit more comfortable to grip, but thankfully the actual display itself is perfectly flat. And flat displays are of course perfect for gaming because if you've got curved edges, it means that some of those far-reaching touch controls can be a little bit tricky to push. No problems with that here. As for the actual screen itself, it's a 6.65 inch AMOLED. It's a full HD plus resolution, so not quad HD like some of the top end premium gaming phones, but you still get 388 pixels per inch, so it's perfectly crisp for all of your gaming needs. And you've also got full HDR support as well, and I'm actually playing PubG Mobile here on those HDR detail levels. And of course, like all good gaming smartphones, the Red Magic 3 also supports a 90Hz refresh rate, especially great considering that low asking price, so everything just looks silky smooth when you're playing the likes of PubG Mobile, as you can see there, helps along of course by the great frame rate as well. So you definitely won't miss any of the action, and it all looks absolutely superb. But even better, and certainly invaluable for games like PubG Mobile, is the 240Hz touch response rate. So as you can see, as soon as I'm touching the screen, any little swipes, pokes, prods, when you're touching those touch buttons and everything, you'll see the action replicated in-game immediately, no delay. And as you would expect from a gaming smartphone as well, you get a stereo speaker output here on the Red Magic 3 as well. So the media is pumped out of the earpiece as well as the bottom mounted mono speaker there as well, which is absolutely crucial for a game like PubG Mobile, where you need to know exactly what direction the threat is coming from. You can hear quite clearly on here which direction footsteps are coming from, for instance, when you're in a building, something like that. Full DTS:X support and everything as well. And you do also have a headphone jack up top as well, if you want to plug in a pair of headphones and get on with it that way instead. I've got someone sneaking up on me now. I actually hear them running around the outside of the house, all coming through nice and clear. There they are, the cheeky little sods. Let's jump down and surprise them. Boom! You've got a choice of 128 or 256 gigs of storage here on the Red Magic 3S, and it's the latest nippy UFS 3.0 as well. So I've cleared the memory, all of the apps have been shut down. Now we're just going to try loading up PubG, seeing exactly how long it takes. Okay, let's go. And there you go. Less than 20 seconds and you're into PubG Mobile, nice and nippy. Now, as far as the specs go, you really can't go wrong with the Red Magic 3S, despite the fact it costs about half as much as a lot of other gaming smartphones. You get Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset in there, which packs a 15% GPU boost compared with the older Snapdragon 855, and that's backed by either 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, and for full disclosure, this is the 8 gig RAM model that I'm using for my tests. Now, to really test the Red Magic 3S's mettle, I decided to get a bit of PubG Mobile on the go using the Gamebench benchmarking software. Now, first up, I stuck PubG Mobile on the very top HDR detail levels, and of course I set the frame rate to maximum. And with that done, I dove into a couple of games and checked out the results the Gamebench churned out. The good news is that it was absolutely fantastic performance through and through. As you can see here, with Gamebench, you had a peak CPU usage reported on Red Magic 3S of 37.5%, so not even close to that maximum level. And the average was just under 18%, so PubG Mobile barely tested this thing at all. And of course, the frame rate, a very important factor indeed, remained perfectly consistent throughout. It basically stuck to 60 frames per second the whole time, no matter whether I was bombing across the landscape in a vehicle, involved in an intense gunfight, whatever. And of course, most gaming smartphones these days come with a dedicated gaming UI as well, giving you fast access to all of your titles and adding a whole bunch of extra features. And you've got that in the GameSpace 2.1 feature, which can be activated with a quick flick of this little switch on the side here. Love that little sting every time. Now from within here you can pair up with some of Nubia's dedicated gaming accessories such as this here Red Magic handle just to give you a proper physical thumbstick and buttons. Now once you're actually in a game you can pull out the game space toolbar at any point with a quick swipe from the right edge like so. And this adds all kinds of great little features to your games. So it's got the auto mode which basically just regulates your resources, make sure the game's got plenty of all that going on, but let's face it, with the Snapdragon 855++ and at least 8 gigs of RAM you're going to have no worries there anyway. You've also got the new 4D shock feature as well, which basically just adds some really strong haptic rumble effects to your game. You'll really feel it in the likes of PubG Mobile when you're blasting away with your rifle. You can toggle the fan on or off as well if you like, if you need that little bit of extra assistance for cooling the smartphone. And of course you've got your usual notifications blocking, very helpful indeed. And you can record your session for posterity as well if you want to upload to YouTube or whatever, just show everyone capping a load of fools. Good stuff. And as you can see, you can actually get a direct readout on the phone's current temperature, CPU usage, GPU usage, and even the network usage as well. All great if you're a bit of a stats junkie. Now, like some other gaming smartphones like the ROG Phone 2, here on the Red Magic 3, you've got two capacitive, touch-sensitive shoulder buttons up here at the top edge, and you can map those to whatever commands you want in game. All you got to do is drag out the toolbar, go to touch button. So as you can see here, you've got the left shoulder button and the right shoulder button as well. You can obviously set the vibration on or off. So I'm going to have the right one do shooting, the left one do aiming, and that just means you've got to fiddle around with less touch buttons in the middle of a game. Feels a little bit more responsive. Oh, there you go. An example of the shoulder buttons working perfectly there. Now you do actually get proper haptic feedback when you touch those shoulder pads as well, so it feels a little bit more like you're pushing actual buttons, and there's not really any kind of delay in between you tapping the pad and feeling that haptic feedback. Unfortunately, it's not quite as good as the ROG Phone 2 and the like, because it doesn't actually feel like it's resonating from those shoulder areas. It's just kind of is a vibration effect rumbling through the entire phone itself. That's for the battery life. Well, you get a mighty 5,000 milliamp cells stuffed inside of the Red Magic 3S. And while it's certainly nice and spacious, unfortunately I did notice a 24% drop in battery life per hour while gaming on PubG Mobile non-stop. So that gives you just over 4 hours in total if you're gaming and not plugged in. Thankfully, you can buy an accessory called the Magic Adapter, which basically shifts the USB Type-C charging port to the rear end of the smartphone. You can then plug in and actually charge up the smartphone completely unhindered while gaming. And because you've got that 18-watt fast charging, that means that you can basically game indefinitely as long as the thing is plugged in. And of course, with all this power stuffed inside of that metal shell, it's great to see that Nubia hasn't skimped when it comes to the liquid cooling. You've got a heat pipe built in there, as well as an internal turbo fan as well, complete with redesigned vents compared with the old Magic 3. So the end of an intense half-hour gaming session here on PubG Mobile, I had the fan whirring away the entire time. I also had the phone plugged in, so it was taken on charge, so that helps to heat up the phone while you're gaming. So as you can see, after yet another intense gaming session on PubG Mobile, the core temperature has risen no more than 37 degrees, and the back of the phone did start to get a little bit toasty, but again, nothing too troublesome. Certainly didn't notice any performance glitches or anything like that. And the fan is just about starting to calm down a little bit. It was wearing away for a good couple of minutes after the gaming session finished, but again, nothing too audible, nothing that you can actually hear over obviously the gunfire and music and all that good stuff. And so all of that right there is why I think the Red Magic 3S is definitely the best value gaming smartphone that you can pick up right now in 2019. Go check out my reviews of the likes of the ROG Phone 2 and those more premium devices if you want a little bit extra on top, but definitely this does more than what you need for the money. So thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a lovely week. Cheers, love you.